Hello guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we're comparing the video quality that you get with the new Pixel Fold against the Pixel 7 Pro. Is there a difference? Which one is better? Let's find out. First thing I'll do right now, I'm using the main cameras, but I'll flip the phones around so you get a sense of what I'm seeing. Alright, this is the quality out of the main camera. So let's walk a bit, get a sense of the stabilization. Looks pretty solid on both phones. Pretty locked in. I like that. Alright. Span around. See how they are able to adjust to the different light. Alright, let's try and switch to the ultra wide 0.6x on the Pixel Fold and 0.5x on the Pixel 7 Pro. And it seems that the Pixel 7 Pro does it a little bit better, at least from what I can see here. Has the ultra wide camera. Back to 1x. And on both phones you have 5 times zoom. This is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like while I'm walking. Let's try to hold these steady because there is a bit of jitter when you walk and record video with 5x zoom. And you can pan around like this. Do you see a difference in the quality? Is the Pixel Fold better, or are they more or less the same? Let me know. Alright guys, now we have nighttime video recording on the Google Pixel Fold and the Pixel 7 Pro. Which one does better? Do you see any differences? That's what I'm curious to find out. So let's now flip the cameras. Alright, and this is my view that I see right here in the park. Alright, I see some differences when I look at the camera. It seems to get just a little bit more noise on the Pixel Fold. Alright, let's walk a bit. Sorry for all the noise, it's pretty hectic out here. Do let me know if you see any differences and if one phone does better than the other, and which one is it.